everyone, this is Elisa with WTI. I don't know about you, but during the fall and the winter, I'm always craving pumpkin everything. Pumpkin latte, pumpkin pie, pumpkin everything literally. So I decided to try this from Green Valley. It has not disappointed me. It is delicious and I truly appreciate that it is organic and it only has pumpkin as the ingredient. This is also very high in vitamin A, which is another benefit. I love making my iced coffee with this. You just throw a little bit of milk, a little bit of sweetener, vanilla extract, some pumpkin, of course, and then the coffee and ice. This is delicious. I so appreciate too that they even have a protein recipe where you can spice up your smoothie for you and your family. So if you're looking for something real like this pumpkin from here, I highly recommend to check this one out from Green Valley, and that is my point of view.